Hello guys, uh, let's look at how to formulate equated monthly installment in Excel. So you would have done it using online calculators and many things. So Excel is a base thing of a base software which is used by many financial institutions and banking employees to arrive at your equated monthly installments. So let's take case by case. So first case, let's take case one, finding the EMI. Okay. So for this, let's take principal, principal or present value of the present value which you're taking as a loan, which is equal to, let's for this example, let's take 20 lakhs. Mm. I'm changing this to accounting format to make it more legible. Okay. And rate of interest now. Rate of interest, ROI per annum. So for the sake of simplicity, let's take 12% and number of periods. So let's take 15 years, and for each year we have 12 months, so there is 180 periods. So let's come to the EMI formula. So the formula for this is PMT, which means payment. The rate of interest is 12% for 1 year, and for 1 month we have to divide it by 12, and for number of period it's 180, and for the present value this is 20 lakhs. So this is the EMI which we have to pay at the end of every month. Now let's take another case now. Case 2, finding the rate, ROI. The same principal amount, number of periods, EMI. EMI, let's say 2000, 24,000. Let's keep it as a round figure. And the rate of interest now. Rate of interest. The formula for this is RAT, rate. N means N per means number of periods. So number of periods, comma, present value is 20 lakhs, comma, sorry, PMT is 24,000, comma, present value is 20 lakhs. So this is showing 1%. You might wonder why it's showing 1%. In this case, we have taken per month. We are given 180 periods, which is 180 months. So this is given in months. So we have to multiply it by 12 to get the ROI. So let's change the rate of interest here. Let's change the EMI here, 25,000, which means 12.77% per year. Let's make it 25 lakhs. It is 8.76%. Let's make it 20 years. Now this is 10.52%. So dynamically you can change the value and find the rate of interest that you want. Now let's go to the third case where we are about to find number of periods. Number of periods. Let's take this present value, EMI, rate of interest. So rate of interest, let's put 12% and let's calculate the number of periods. Number of periods. Good. So assume you're taking a loan of 25 lakhs and you can afford to pay 25,000 per month as a rate of interest as EMI, and the bank is offering you 12% interest. So how many years you will be required to complete the EMI? So let's take N per, which is number of periods. It's asking for rate. Rate is 12% divided by 12. Payment is 25,000 per month. And present value is 25 lakhs. Uh-oh. Reduce the value to 20 lakhs. 160, 162 months. The last month we have to pay a little less. 61 months we have to pay full 25,000, and the next year it decreases. All right. Now let's understand why this didn't work when it was 25 lakhs. So when it is 25 lakhs, the interest is this into this divided by 12. And every year, you're just paying the interest. Every month, you're just paying the interest. Divided by 12, 84 years you have to pay. To tackle such problem, we can use GoalSeek. Where is GoalSeek? Go to data, go to what if analysis, and GoalSeek. So, okay, this number I have to fix it to 180 by changing this cell. Okay. Okay. So this is the value. So to complete the loan in 15 years for a principal value of 25 lakhs, the minimum EMI you should pay is 30,000. Now let's go to fourth case. Finding the future value. In this case, let's take it SIP. All right. So EMI. So let us assume for every month we are paying 50,000. Sorry, 5,000. Each return rate. So let's take an index fund, index Nifty 50, and let's say it gives you a return of 14%. Okay. So you're planning to invest this for one number of periods. Let's say 20 years. So 20 into 12, it's 240. So future value or maturity value equal to FP. Rate is 10% divided by 12. Oh, divided by 12. Number of periods is 240. Present value is PMT is this. And let's close it. So for an investment of 5,000 per month for 20 years with an average return rate of 14%, it is 65 lakhs. So this is the power of compounding. Let's take one last case. The same thing. Value or initial investment. Let's say you are investing 10 lakhs and you're not paying anything after investing. You're putting your money in an investment and leaving it for, let's say, 15 years. All right. So, and in case you're let's take an example of FD. FD gives around 8.5%. 8.5% number of periods is this. So the future value is equal to FV. Interest rate is this divided by 12. Number of periods is this. Comma present value is this. Sorry. PMT is this. Comma present value is this. Comma. This is not required. So let's close the bracket here. So if you have 10 lakhs rupees now, putting it on an FD or a period of 15 years, at the end of 15 years, it will turn out to be 35 lakhs, which is almost 3.5 times of what you have invested. Let's take one last example. Okay. This is also same kind of scenario, but in this you're paying so you're investing 10 lakhs and in the same fund you're again putting 2,000 rupees per month. So at the end of first month you will get uh, at the end of first month you will get 10 lakh into 8.5 divided by 12. This amount as interest. Okay, let's put 1 plus. Yes, this is right way of putting it. So after that, you are adding 2000 to it. Okay. And again, this gets multiplied by 1 plus 8.5 divided by 12. Then again, this becomes, you are again putting 2000 to it. Then this goes on and on and on. And after 15 years, this is first end of first month, this is end of second month. And after end of 180 months, you will get 42 lakhs in your bank account. Okay, let's come to this. Let us assume you're paying 25,000. You'll get an error. This is because at the end of first month, you're multiplying this with 1 plus divided by 12, right? So 1 plus 1%, you will be returning 25 lakhs, 25,000. At the end of 1 month, you will be paying an amount of 25,000. So this becomes, the outstanding amount becomes again 25 lakhs. The next month it comes to this value, you pay 25,000, and again this becomes 25 lakhs. So you're not even covering the interest rate that is being generated at the end of every month. You have to pay at least 1 rupee more than 25,000 to reduce your principal amount. So let's put 1 rupee more here. See, you're getting 1017 months, which is 84 years. If you are keeping, if you're putting 1 rupee every month, if you're reducing 1 rupee every month in your interest, then you have to pay for at least 84 years to cover the entire principal amount to be repaid. So let's make this 30,000. You need 180 months, which is 15, which is 15 years. So that's all about this. To make it simple for you, let's create a formula column. So formula text of this is, I'm copying this to here, 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 and here. So this is it. You can refer. I'll upload this in a Google Sheet and and I'll provide you a link at the description. Do watch it, do practice, do punch the number what you want, and get used to the financial world, or start your journey in the financial world. Thank you so much.